My name is Pavas Mera. We are here at Pareto Securities annual healthcare conference in Stockholm, and with me I have Anders Rabbe, CEO of Isofol Medical. Welcome, Anders.
Thank you for having me here.
Could you please tell us a little bit more about Isofol and the product that you are developing?
Yes, so we are developing a drug called arfolitixorin. It's intended for treating colorectal cancer, and we can hopefully improve the therapy by increasing the efficacy of the key therapy for colorectal cancer, which is cytotoxic agents, which reduces cancer cell growth. And with arfolitixorin we provide a substance called MTHF, which increase the efficacy of these cytotoxics. And just now we have a phase 3 trial ongoing in Europe, US and Canada. We have more than 70 hospitals including patients, and we intend to have some readouts from this trial during 2020, where we'll do an interim analysis. At the same time, we have of course a lot of discussions around the world with potential partners. We are increasing awareness regarding our potential to improve the therapy for these patients with colorectal cancer, and particularly we are treating metastatic colorectal cancer, and we are targeting patients in the first line, meaning initial treatment, and basically this is the first potential new drug for these patients in the last 15 years. That means that we have a big interest from key opinion leaders and physicians and also patients to participate in this trial.
Yeah. And you have quite a large addressable market. I assume there's 365,000 incidents of colorectal cancer in US, Europe and Japan.
Well, actually the incidence is much larger, but the eligible patients who could get treated with cytotoxic agent are those who unfortunately have a more severe disease, and that's around these 360,000 patients. This is not including China or the rest of the world, and we think by targeting these patients in the first line, and based on the primary market research we have done throughout the years, more than 60 to 70,000 patients with 9 months treatment indicates, with the pricing indications that we have, that this is a $1 billion opportunity for commercialization going forward.
And you mentioned that there will be some phase 3 readouts. Are there any other events, like out of an investor perspective, that we can be on the lookout for?
Well, we have other trials ongoing, so basically during the next spring we will have data from a phase 2 trial which is ongoing in the same parallel. And the reason for this is that we want to have data to present at different medical congresses like the ASCO meeting in Chicago and so forth, so this you can have a lookout for. We also have informed the market that we have an intention to move our listing from First North Premier to the Nasdaq main market. So these are some potential events that can increase the interest for our company, and also the interest for potential investors to buy shares in it.
That sounds interesting. Thank you for being here today, and we're looking forward to following you ahead.
Thanks so much for having me.